Welcome to how to create a PayPal account tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how to create a PayPal account. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. First you need to type in PayPal and go to the PayPal site. Then you will find the sign up button. Just click on it and then choose personal and click get started. You need to select your country or region you want to sign in from. Then click get started. You will need to write your own email. Then click next. Then provide your mobile phone number. Then PayPal will send you a code. Type in the code. Create your password. And from here you need to enter your name and last name and the national ID and the date of birth. Then after you finish this page, you'll be ready to go and you can use your PayPal account. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So, thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.